Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're aboard this Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. Patrick and I are going to go through and give you 3 reasons why you should own this ideal family boat. I would say most of our Boston Whaler owners aren't die-hard fishermen, but this boat allows you to do pretty much anything you want to. It's got a live well, rod holders, of course, all that. We've got a grill. We're just going to kind of walk through and just show you why you should take advantage of something like this.
What a lot of people don't know is this boat is the best of both worlds. I hear it a lot from the sales side. I want a fishing boat. I want to be able to just a day cruise. Best of both worlds. But also on the starboard side here, we have a nice grill as well as a refrigerator to be able to extend the day on the water. Grilling if you're anchored out or if you're at port, you could do both.